Hindi ka.
Ano sa kaya to, te?
Na, masakyan. Usob, lain-lain masakyan, Len. Okay guys, ako yung guide guys. Okay,
Naka-diver. Lian, Lian.
Okay, listen ka mag-orientation ta before ta mo gikan.
I'm gonna drive.
No.
Uy, diver, drop.
Direct, kaya may orientation ta.
Gi-orient ito mga
Orientation ta. Orientation ta. Quiet. Okay, ingani atong buhaton ha before ta mo gikan.
Dali, like guess.
Sige na. Sa oras sa taman, sir.
Sige na, larga na ta.
Dayon.
Mugi.
Sige na.
Mugi, sige na.
Okay.
Di pa dayon, no?
Padayon, okay. First na to nga stop. Boss, asa ta?
So for our schedules, we have 10:30 a.m. for our orange Bengal tiger feeding, 1:45 p.m. for our bird show, 2:30 p.m. for our white tiger feeding, and 3 p.m. for our giraffe feeding. But remember, only animal keepers can feed at animals, and if you want to feed, we have a feeding zoo beside the safari stadium for the bird show. So at 11 a.m., 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. you can feed our Brahman scalps, rabbits, and guinea pigs. And anytime you can feed also our birds at the aviary dome on the birds of the world. We have also crocodile feeding at the crocodile area. And for your lunch, we have 3 restaurants inside the park. So we have Filipino food at the base camp, Italian food at the orangutan, and Western food at the outpost. And if you want some coffee and fruit sauce, we have also at the Michelle's Pavilion. So for the park rules, please no flash photography, no selfie stick, no running, especially kids, no smoking and beeping inside the park, and down your noise. That's it. Thank you so much. Enjoy your tour.
Thank you.
At kami, ma'am.
Proceed lang ako for collection garden, sir, for first drop off.
Okay, atong first drop off Garden of the World.
Malantawa.
Mantawa ma. Look. Ato kasi ang waling-waling daan.
Ganita.
Na, dili na mga artificial. Puro na tinuod. When you go inside, just say, ha?
Sa tennis mano. Pagilo mo siya.
You're my tour guide. So what you can say? What you can say here?
It's so beautiful in here.
There's a lot of
I want to live here.
yes.
Where's the mermaid?
It's really cool. Come here.
Yung step, idugang yung 5.
Eh, paspas kaya itong tour guide.
Kaya naman?
Mo niya itong mga cactus nga dagko kayo.
Ano yung may mga tour
Oh. 20 years na siya.
Puro binutbot, pati yung tour
Oh, 20 years na ning mga cactus.
Asa man ang sagikan ko no, boss?
Sa Israel.
Scientific name na, boss.
Cactus Shosonis.
Go faster, guys! Speed, turbo speed! Don't be all! Go faster!
Big fish.
Big fish.
Yes. Take care.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye-bye.
I want to show you something.
What?
And don't be scared.
There's a big fish in here! Oh my god, there's a sawfish down there.
Where?
Ew! Oh my god, it's a shark. What is that?
So diring dapita makita nato ang isda nga galangoy. Ah, lihok mo lihok, trabaho. Trabaho na kay may mga turista na. Okay. Asa gani mi ma'am?
For aviary dome, sir, for birds.
Lain na yung sa mo.
Asa ta dya? Asa pagbasa ni man? Aviary? Aviary? Pwede ka ka-feeding direct.
Oh, mali, 50.
Ayo ra pangwa ra mo atong mga agas. Okay. Gusto ni nga manok. Oh. Nibukad siya malin. Nibukad. Talagsa rin siya mabukad oh. Welcome, Malin Kabangal na
May you marry me?
Tatay, will you marry me? Nabuwang na.
Hoy, trabaho, trabaho. Trabaho, bata. Ako kayong ibayaran. Tulog-tulogan namin ni mo. Hoy, bata. Marapos si Jaja matulog eh.
Si Jaja dili mo mata.
Hoy, nalakabuhi.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. The skies are gray.
How much? Please don't
Please
take
don't take
my
my
sunshine.
sunshine.
Okay, 1,000. Oh, here.
You are my sunshine.
Only sun.
My only sunshine. You make me
Lamig kay kanon ron.
I'm joking.
Okay, occupy lang ito ang first row, sir.
First row ang 15.
Lian, come here, Lian.
We're going to the White Lion.
We're going to the Philippines. To White Lions. I'm super scared. I'm super scared. They might eat me.
Sleeping, just sleeping.
They will eat me.
The White Lion is there. You see the White Lion?
Ah!
Oh, it's big. It's very big.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh! Ah, the lion is very big, Mama. Very big. Mama.
I-feed na ta sa lion, doy. I-feed na ta. Goodbye to everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Sit.
Oh my God, they're going out na.
Hi, ma'am.
How many in the family po?
13 po.
13 person inside.
Yes. Come here. Kay feed na ta.
Can I sit in the front, kuya?
Usay kaso ni mo day, murder. Usay kaso.
Murder my husband.
Oo. Usay mga kaso ninyo.
Prison man ni.
Priso mo.
Murder.
Walking
Usay mo,
in the
usay mo
jungle.
kaso daw.
Walking in the jungle.
Usay mo kaso.
Pakan ka ng...
Rape?
Kanang muangkon ba o kwan ba?
Dayo. Masay mong kaso day.
Ha?
Masay mong kaso. Goodbye.
Kulang kaon, sir.
Sit down. Oh, sit down. Sit down.
Mabuhay everyone!
Ilom.
Good morning and welcome to the White Lion Safari. So by the way, I'll be your tour guide po inside. My name is Connie and for your safety and comfort, remain seated while the tram is moving. Refrain using a flash photography. Do not stick your fingers outside some fans. Hold tightly on the grabbers and please no shouting inside. So by the way, this is Max and Bugoy and down there that's Jack. So we're gonna pass by him later. So these lions in here, by the way, are all males and siblings. So 7 years old ka for now. By the way, you might be wondering why they're called white lions
Yes.
when they're not purely white. For their case, they have a genetic mutation called leucism. So that's a partial loss of pigmentation on their genes. That's why they're not purely white.
At
So
night lang.
when we say nocturnal, they're night shift. They're active at night time. And this one, ang female is they're entirely bald, wala sila hair. So, opposite sila sa male nga na ay buhok.
Bagong waiter.
Lechon.
Tiktak kayo, tiktak kayo mga kuan, picture.
Lechon.
TikTok at picture.
Nakabas kayo, kulit ko sa rabats.
Lechon.
Order na dong. Mas malang ko.
Like ko ano, di ba? Kasi lips to lips ako ano ron.
Guys, feel bad for my dad.
Awa ako ng bana. Dinoy mo. Ako na. Si mama na.
Boy, don't be angry at me.
Welcome to African Savannah. I'm your guide for this journey and my name is Lloyd. So we have right there the cute little one is actually the Thompson's gazelle. So Thompson's, that is their adult size. Even other sizes, they can actually run up, or they are a fast runner that can run up until 80 kilometers per hour and can jump up until 3 meters in height. So we have right over there is the blue wildebeest or the wildebeest. So they have a dark gray in color with black mane on its face. This one right over here is the highlight of the savannah, the zebra. So zebras are actually herbivores, which means they will eat plants. Ma'am, they have actually a unique stripe that no two zebras has the same stripes. And also fun fact, actually the true color of the zebra is black with white stripes.
Proudly presents the bird. What is your name?
I'm June.
You're Sir June? Hi, Sir June. Nice to meet you. Show your money to the crowd. Okay, so Sir June has 500 peso bills. So Sir June, are you ready? Sure. Yes. Are you sure? Now let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to Sir June, not in his arm. He picks the 500 peso bill. So bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 500 pesos. Alright, Sir June says that's okay because he has money. That's good, sir. But seriously, sir, did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Very much. Okay, you're so happy, Sir June. That's great. Can we do it one more time? Can we do 1,000 pesos this time? So Sun is a very good bird, so he will give back your 500 pesos, sir. So Sunny buddy, come out again, please. We'll give back the 500 pesos, buddy. There you go. So Sunny flies all the way back to Sir June, and he puts the 500 peso back. So a round of applause to our cute and happy second name, Sunny. So Sir June, since you already joined me here, is it okay? You will be our next volunteer. Okay lang, sir?
Okay lang, ma'am. Okay lang. Tama, okay lang mo.
Okay naman mo. Okay. So now everyone, you pass the first one. Ikaw pa sa second one. Be fast to the third one. So a round of applause to our talented second name championship. And thank you so much, Sir June. Thank you so much for participating. Our most handsome tika name is Sir Juan.
Naman tayo putulong ka
Saan yung sao?
I-drop lang sa semento, ayaw lang sa water.
Sige lang, ano mo jump pa siya.
Nangangad.
Hindi na kasi sa tubig. Gani pulo ko.
So, si Tinda yun.
Mahadlok, mangkod. Dito kong lantaw. 1, 2, lantaw may, ikaw sa may.
Sige na.
Okay na, Len?
Mahulat doon ka nilang bakbao.
1, 2. Tara ako sila, Len.
Nag-andam na good sila.
1, 2. Go.
Dugaya dyan.
1, 2.
Wala. Boring.
Sa ito is one ang dagko.
Lian.
Wait, Lian. Ano kungkol day?
Nakita last time nga walay kamot.
Tribu Nonoy! Dola dito ka.
Sige, pindok sa ate.
So, manis liyan.
Dili man na makatawo.
Kao nagbata. Joy, Joy.
I'm not touching this. I'm touching
Sige, Jill, dola ka kay Jill.
Ihat ang imong liog, Ben. Ihat ang imong liog. Ana ba diri ba?
We're going to the water bird. So there are many water birds like silver swan, dato puti. Ay mas katawa. Na siya nilili na. Ang damang payong day. Ang lanat na. Allah ka na. Kasi matuikan, sorry na lang. Galili siya tambok. Galili siya dako-dako. Lala.
Kati na.
Okay. Kana.
It looks beautiful to me.
What?
It looks beautiful to me.
There's the ducks over there.
Look, there's another one, oh. Dahil sa tinday of stripe.
Kanay mo isog-isog. Kanay mo isog-isog. Ala. Ala dyan. Papa. Uy, bata. Uy. Ang ikabuhang pagkamu mo.
Haga.
Pante mo mama.
Sakitan ko. Dire. Bayang mag-iing.
Ante, singing.
Stop laughing.
Okay, we cry. We all cry. We all cry.
Okay, that's too much, ate.
May I touch you?
No touch lang. Pretending lang.
May I touch you?
Pinakadako ng ilaga. Again, mama. Welcome to Safari.
Sige ba? You have so many siblings? Oh my God, Lola. You know that your Lola has 13 grandkids. Na nakapangapit ka ma.